All right, our Wall Street Journal presentation is over 5 technologies that could change everything by Michael Toddy. The goal of this article, the goal of people, I guess, is to limit our dependence on fossil fuels and reduce greenhouse gas emissions, to have a sustainable future. And the current technology can only get us so far. So this article looked at 5 technologies that could help us in the future. And the 5 technologies that were explored are space-based solar power, advanced car batteries, utility storage, carbon capture and storage, and next-generation biofuels, and these are what we'll discuss in this presentation. Each one of these ideas represents enormous possibilities and breakthrough technology that could really revolutionize how we power our country and the world. And then they also face many challenges such as engineering difficulties, different things where we're not there scientifically, where we can't get these technologies yet, and then also cost effectiveness. We'll start off with space-based solar power, and the idea of this is that the sun always shines in space. So if we could somehow capture the solar power and transmit it back to Earth, it would be a constant electricity source. And the idea of this is to place giant solar panels in orbit and beam the energy back to Earth, delivering nonstop electricity. If we can go to the next slide here. The idea is for the sun here to shine off of these giant mirrors. The mirrors reflect it onto these photovoltaic cells, which converts the light into electricity. The electricity is then transmitted to these microwave transmitter dishes, which changes the electricity to microwaves, and then it transmits the microwaves down to a receptor on Earth. A receptor about a mile wide will power about 1,000 US homes, so pretty good technology there. And then from the receptor here, it'll get converted back from microwaves to electricity and entered into the power grid to power